the first part is parameter. So this parameter is going to, so you can see that firstly, we do have the two design with our candy cutter machine. One is with the 3D side 3D designer on the side, and the one is in the, there's a low 3D display on the side. And what is the differences between these two options? So the first option we can see that if there is no 3D display on the side, we do a set design about a small window to show on the side. And the screen, this screen, we are using the 25, approximately, we are using the 26-inch, the screen to put into the machine. And this model and this option is very popular in our overseas market. Why? Because maybe we put the machine on the in the shopping mall, because in the USA, I have a visit about USA shopping mall. They are very big and very brightly. Then all the things they are wanting is the big and shining, just like bling, bling, bling. And this is the how to say, the first impression to make them to charming. And the other hand, the second thing is that when we do this big screen, and the people can see about in the side window. Why? Because when the candy cotton machine is doing about the candy cotton here, then maybe the buyer will just only focus on here, but not only focus on other things. And but other one will come together to see it. But as you know, the player, the buyers stand here, and around people, around on the side, you can see the full version about how to make the candy. And the other option is that our Chinese market, the domestic version. So we can see that this part and this part is the same, but this part and this part, and because in the right side and this right side is the different. Why? Because this screen a little bit bigger to approximately 26 inches screen, and this one we are using about approximately 21 inches screen. And but these two, and they do the difference is the 3D display. So it depends on how to set your market and how to where you are going to place in the shopping mall. So so let's see about the parameter about this machine. This machine we are using. This is a type, the model HS668, and the power consumption we are using about this. The maximum power consumption is 2,500 watts. And the clean water consumption, 20 set candy cotton so the sugar consumption is 25 set candy, the cotton candy per kg. And the water consumption of humidity is the 3 to 9 with 8 hours with 2 tanks, because we do have the 2 tanks. And the dimension of about this machine is to 1,468 and 665 and 1,950. We are calculating in mm. So when you want to put or when you want to buy this machine, you could see about this is the left sizes about this machine. So the weight, the other thing is the weight is the 370 kg. 370 kg. So, and maybe some of the people just like the woman, they were, oh, they're too heavy for us. Don't worry, because we do, you can see about this is a wheel. This wheel is make about to make the candy cotton, this machine to move very smoothly, and it can turn or we can move very freely. Yeah. So, and use environment. We are there's the environment. This candy cotton machine, this machine can put outdoor and indoor. And you can see the indoor temperature is 0 degree to the 40 degree. And but in the other hand, that we would like to recommend to you to put this machine indoor. Why? Because this machine, the material for the case, we are using about the iron. So the iron, the thickness may be 1.0 to 1.3 something. Well, because I'm not focusing on the technical or the making about this case. So I don't remember to I don't remember clearly into this machine about the material. And so indoor, we are recommending indoor. It may more protect to this machine is more better. Yeah, I think it's more better. But if some of the customers say that we met some of the customers, oh, I'm doing the business on the beach. I mean, beside the beach, just like the Miami, and just like the Los Angeles and the Monica, the beach, or some of the like San Diego. Yeah, I mean in Los Angeles, in LA, it's not in Mexico. So at that time, and I know that in the overseas, maybe in the US or in the Europe, the sunshine is very strong. So we recommend to put something. We recommend to put something about to make a cover to all the case. Just like we could put some protector here, here, here to make all these cases into the protection. So it is very hard to say that it could not be break down or broken to about this case, but just like we recommend to it. Okay. So about the first part before, maybe you can get a little bit idea, or maybe you can write down and you can plan this machine how to use and where I'm going to put in the near future in your purchasing plan. And in the next step, we are going to explain to you about the payment. So the payment is very important to the administrator, I mean the businessman. Because why? Because this is the vending machine, and we need the player to play, and you get the profit, right? So what is the payment method? This machine can be supplied at this time. So we can